diapers. Hey Mom, look, I got a bed. I got some diapers. I got some food trays. I got a little toy. I got a collar. And yeah.
The collar and the leash to walk 'em. Cute. So you're hoping for a boy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a name?
Jack. Yeah, Jack.
All right.
Yeah. Hi guys, I want to introduce you to my dog. His name is Jack. I want to say it's medium hard to take care of him because he does some accidents in the house and we have to clean it up. Sometimes he even jumps out of the water when we shower him, and we have to get him and run around the whole house. And it's pretty hard, but he's a little baby Jack. He is my best friend forever.